Hello, my sweet friends. We're working on week 5 of our Sounds First curriculum for our first graders, and our new activity this week is playing with words. It's called Word Parts ID, and the skill is to identify the following things: the number of phonemes in a word, counting with fingers on your hand, and then initial and final sounds of a word using the curve and snatching motion of your hand. So the directions read: tell students that they are going to listen closely to words to identify the parts of the word. This includes the number of phonemes and the initial and final sounds in each word. So we're going to say, let's listen closely to each word to see what we can find. Use the curve and speak it out to identify in time. We're going to invite the students to repeat that with us. Let's listen closely to each word to see what we can find. Use the curve and speak it out to identify in time. We're going to say the word aloud and have students repeat after you. Identify the following things in this order: the initial sound, the final sound, and then the number of phonemes. And there's just a note saying that, to make sure that we're saying the letter sounds rather than the letter names. So do this one first, practice and model with the students. So the teacher will say the first sound, these, the. Then the kids will repeat, these, the. Then she'll say the last sound, these, z. Then the kids will repeat, these, z. Then she'll say, count the sounds in the word. These, the, e, z, these. And the kids repeat, these, the, e, z, these. So that's really it. You're just identifying that initial, that final, and then counting the phonemes in the word. So another example would be shack, sh. And the kids will repeat, shack, sh. Now we're going to say the last sound, shack, k. The kids will repeat, shack, k. Then we're going to count the phonemes, shack, sh, ack, shack. The kids will repeat, shack, sh, ack, shack. And you'll continue through. Usually there's about 5 of those. We are giving them a lot of scaffolding at this point, a lot of support. So that's something that, if you feel confident that they can, you can ease up on that a little bit and let them do it more independently. That's fine too. I'm sure at the beginning that's something that, just for them to get used to the activity, it's going to be something that you're going to need to model. So excited about this activity. I think we use this one several weeks, and then we shift kind of to listening for the syllables in the word. So it continues the big word parts ID, but just kind of shifts the different skills that we're working on. So have a great week. Thank you.